just a little bit of body damage.
Not me. Get off my ribs. Fucking hell. Ow. Ow. Fuck, motherfucker.
It's fucked.
Don't stab me, bitch. Hey. Time to wake up, mate. Time for work. Time for work.
You guys are the ad for the disability services.
That's fine. That's fine.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day so far. If not, I hope it gets better. Today we are team Lancer. So, if you guys don't know already, Daniel's Mirage is a piece of shit and he needs to swap out the engine to be able to have a perfectly running and driving car. Yeah, so today we are attempting to pull the engine out of the Lancer so then Daniel can put that engine into the Mirage, because his Mirage engine is like stupid slow and his engine mounts are gone and there's a lot of problems with it. Burns a lot of oil. He was going to put a 4G 9.3 into it, but ended up with this option because my sister bought a new car and she's like, I don't want this anymore. So she gave it to Daniel and he's like, I'll take it. Daniel was always going to put a different engine into the Mirage. It was just more so like what he wanted and whatever came up at the right time and things like that. So we got Lachlan over here to help. Yeah, so it's going to be a very fucking funny video, 110%. It's going to be hilarious. Oh, there's no way.
Close it. No, don't worry about it.
What if it doesn't open?
That's his problem.
Wrong button.
Mataylah.
Oh, okay. He closed it.
Wake up. Hey. Time to wake up, mate. Time for work. Time for work. No. No, it's not bedtime. Holy fuck, look at this rust here. Keeping that. Keeping this.
Please.
Alright, get out. I think we fucked it now. Alright. It ain't closed now. It's like run, hello. I don't pay you to fucking lay around all day. Oh, fuck's sake. Lock leg. The fuck, it's not gonna close. No, wait. Close it down. Now try.
Fuck. Alright, do it again. Do it again. Hold, close it.
We're supposed to be doing an engine pull and now we're doing body work. I'll show you guys my garage shelves that I bought. I bought these shelves to organize the garage a little better. And it did work. It definitely has worked. The only thing is that I feel like they're just a little unstable. Like they're quite annoying to build.
Lachlan, that is not up to code. According to section 7, here, chop. Just cut the, yeah, no. Don't stab me, bitch. All right, that's enough. That's a good blade. I don't like this hanging on me, Taylor. Lachlan, don't be a fuckwit. Jack the car up more. Jack it up more. Taylor, move the TiVo. Could you please move the TiVo? Oh, fuck me. The beef. This door's not opening like it used to. Oh, shit. Wait. Keep it going. Oh, we're being stopped by a piece of cardboard. Alright. Yep. Okay, we got tape. Lock it. Fuck your parents. Your parents just hold it down like.
Why do we need this taped?
I said the exact same.
Just so it doesn't flop up like this.
I said it doesn't matter, just don't trip on it.
Yeah. I agree with that, retard.
You know how...
Oh.
Teabag. Safety is not the #1 priority here.
There's enough oil leaks in the car.
That's more oil than I expected.
It's fucked. It doesn't smell too. Oh no, it's burnt.
That's about 3 litres, I'd say. He didn't show anything on the dipstick, but that was like about 3 litres of oil, I feel like.
Can I have my screwdriver?
Yeah, mate.
I'll get it.
Cool, bitch.
No, I don't want the car to fall on me.
Just yank, bro. Well, that's an actual bolt. Okay, maybe we need a 10 mil for that one.
Oh no, there's nothing in here.
That helps us, it's fine. Oh, bro, what are these shitty fucking attachments?
Hey, look, she's gone limp after too many uses.
Just please be fucking gentle.
Snap it off?
No.
Come around the other side, you fuckwit.
What do you mean, cunt? This is not fucking ideal. Can you?
Why don't you just cut them off?
Well, now we're making a fucking mess.
Why didn't you just cut them off?
Just leave it on the cardboard. Cardboard, yeah.
I'm gonna homie holds my hose.
It was.
Second, I reckon it's one of these.
No, it's a big one.
There's no big. Oh, we should probably take
It's
this.
that one right there.
Oh, it is. You fucking idiot.
You.
Get off my ribs. Fucking hell. Ow. Ow. Fuck, motherfucker. Alright. Lachlan, can you pull the dipstick on the gearbox, please? Oh. That works. That works.
You're a fucking retard.
Oh, shut up.
So much for making sure there's no mess.
No mess, guys, no mess.
There's a lot of fluid in there. Yeah, it's very watery.
Smell it. It smells like
It looks
crispy
so
cock plates.
thin.
Actually, it smells alright.
It's definitely
Smell
smell
my
right.
finger.
No, it's burnt.
Yeah, you're burnt, you fucking dog. Look at this gold we found. We've been mining. Look at all that. That's lovely. Lovely metallic.
Oh my god.
You know how to disconnect from here? No. Stop. Fuck. No, Lachlan. I just said. Please stop.
Bro, he is so much like you. It is
Stop
actually
breaking me.
ridiculous.
Stop it, fuckwit. Stop.
Mind you, these two have been friends since childhood. There's fuses flying around everywhere. They have been friends since they were like little chubsters, and now they're big chubsters, and they haven't changed.
The main fuse, bro.
It's like Dumb and Dumber. Beavis, where's it? Beavis and Butthead.
Okay, let me come back.
No.
on.
Where's that flathead? Like, where'd you put that big fuck off flathead? Where is it? Where'd you put it, you dumb cunt?
Somewhere.
You've been fucking with it the whole time?
It exists.
Fucking idiot. Fucking dipshit, man. Get the fuck.
I'm the best use for these drawers, like to organize sandpaper and all that.
Curious. Friendly. Nah, fuck that place. Reliable. Organised. No. Hardworking. No. Protective. No. Enthusiastic. No.
What bolts did I take off then? No, isn't it?
This is him right now. His engine's gonna work.
What are you doing?
Pulling off the fucking AC compressor.
Why do you always eat the camera?
It's like grabbing, trying to grab. I'm not gonna say that.
Cars have been used in settings and domains such as prisons, primary schools and secondary schools, sexual assault prevention and treatment, child protection, palliative care, tutoring,
In the
disability
drawer.
services. That's what we have.
Disability services, that's what we have.
You guys are the ad for the disability services.
Hey, you can't sort of play 52 card pickup?
Oh jeez.
You should take off this bolt.
For the poor wrecker that's gonna have to go through that and be like, what? Oh, it closed!
It's good, bro.
Look, it's mint, bro.
I unbolted the bracket.
You're a fucking genius. We're making it, man. Leak that high.
Where are the fuel lines?
Fucking find the fuel rail and then find the fuel line.
Doesn't have any.
Doesn't have a fuel rail. It's right fucking there. Strangle him.
Actual fucking
Pretty sure this one's bigger actually, the idiot.
Ow.
Why don't you just clamp both of them?
I don't think I have enough time. No. We just drained the fucking gearbox.
Does it matter?
Yes, because I don't want to. Because you. She won't give me strength. Stop!
Oh, yeah.
Just fucking stop! Why is he such a
You're his friend, he's your friend. That's fucking why.
Lachlan, you're a dumb cunt. This is the You fucking retard. Stop! You're gonna make a mess. Lachlan. What the fucking idiot. What did I say? Stop! You haven't changed for being a child. He's still Oh my god. You think I'm bad?
Yous are both the
Look what you
same.
just did.
Yous are both the same.
Fuck me dead.
But how's this been throwing over there? Zero care for my tools.
Why should I care?
Just cut the fucking fuel line.
No! Stop with the fucking cutting! Both of you, you fucking
In the bucket.
Stop! I will actually cut you if you fucking idiot. How am I supposed to fucking run fuel?
I'll buy you another one.
No, you won't.
It's probably
What,
right.
from fucking Costco?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Nothing happened. A moral support. Stop. You got it yet? Put the cat back on.
Grab that spanner for me.
Can you put the cat back on? I think the fuel's getting to me, babe.
You want the fucking knife or not?
Just give it a second, you fuck.
Do you need this?
Yes. You smell it?
Actually, fucking dickhead.
You ready for a holy bumper?
Stop.
Bro, do you want to know what's so ironic? They're not doing any house building today and it's us making all the noise.
Stop! Fuck! I'm gonna stab him.
Now you're getting in the money back. You put a hole in the seat.
Oh! Lachlan! For fuck's sake! Stop hitting the car! I'm serious.
One more.
And this car wants to act like he's more mature than me. Look at him.
Oh, no,
I need... Let's go this one.
I gotta fucking pop the cock out, Jesus.
It's just in the way. Stretch it out. You call me an idiot?
What?
Did you call me an idiot? No, there's no gap through it.
The left! I can see there's a gap there.
Ow.
Holy fuck.
Oi, fuckwit.
It's a 19. Now I have a piece of fuckwit. I've got a weapon as well. I'll put a donk in your fucking head, cunt.
There.
Japanese, mate.
Just fucking weak. Yep. It's just soft.
Want an extension?
Oh shit. Don't it?
Wait, can you pull tension on the unit?
I'm gonna slip. I'm gonna slip. What? Fucking spaz.
I want to so want to break the windshield.
It's too much mess. Don't shatter it. Oh my god. Okay, stop it. You get way too carried away.
Stop!
Lachlan, don't!
Can you like actually hit him with the fucking crowbar? Or like smash his windshield? Smash his windshield then. Fuck him.
What happened to not breaking the windshield? Oi, babe! Do you need the ignition? Oh, that's good.
Put it in pop!
Oh my.
Fucking one for
Just doing some renovations. Oh, that's mine. Oh, you fuckface! Pay your tit cut.
Gears now.
I don't want to do it.
Fuck, the brake shift gears now. Oh. What happened?
I don't want to get in the car.
Are we gonna stop?
I'm literally gonna. Bro, he's fucking Wreck-It Ralph. Fuck it all. Oh my god.
In the face.
That's what we're doing. That's a What is this guy's issue?
How do I stop it? I have to stop it. Get the fuck out. Stop, you fuckwit.
Look, now you've pissed it. You've pissed it.
Get out, you fat fuck. Open it. Hey, open it.
Oh, fuck me. $2. Bro, we don't have a place to put the fucking door.
He might have bet that he
Oh my days.
It's not closing again.
If you want a 2003 Mitsubishi Lancer, there's one up for sale.
Stop! Chocolate!
Just a little bit of body damage.
Stop!
Nothing the painter and the body.
Holy shit, this cunt is fucking retarded.
Nothing that the body shop can't fix. Just needs some tiny.
Fuck me.
It just needs some tiny upgrades to make this car working perfectly. Otherwise, it's ready. It's ready to go right off the lot.
Thanks, mate. It's just bending forward. Fucking, you're a lazy cunt. You couldn't just take those 3 bolts off. Look it out.
It's almost like I wanted to take that fucking mount off, and I was told no. So my thing is, if this side comes up, it's gonna... No, don't even. Let's stay. He's taking photos of us.
Are you gonna... Can you fucking... Can you pull? Get up! Get up, fuckwit! Lachlan won't get up, he's a lazy cunt, and he won't fucking help. I need him to pull wide jack. Aspirologist. Real secure, Taylor. You did a real good job on that.
Good job, Taylor!
Good job, Taylor! Good job, Taylor. Real good job. Get her out! You have it out.
What do you have to cut it?
You can cut that.
What?
You can cut that. There. It's Bob.
Do you have a tire?
Yeah. I said please.
I've had a shower because I'm over it. And now they're trying to remove the gearbox from the engine. He's your fucking breed. He's literally the same breed. I literally walked away for 2 seconds.
Engines.
Gearbox? Anybody? Gearbox?
Is that even going to fit in there?
There's no one here. Just leave it.
Ah, so you can play that game.
And through all of this, I still don't have my caramel biscuits.
Tylko jedną w sobie mam, w koksu 5 gram. Lecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia. Moje myśli mam, kiedy skończy się ten stan. Tej nie będę sam, bo wiedzie miały będzie. Tylko jedną w sobie mam, w koksu 5 gram. Lecieć sam w krainę zapomnienia.
What am I saying? Engine's out. Car's fucked. Lachlan's a dickhead. Mataylah's a dickhead. I'm a dickhead. Thank you for watching. What do you want me to say? So I just want to thank my family for. I just want to thank my family. Imagine kaboom! Stop it! No more. Yeah, just scratch your back of your head with the fucking mallet. Stop! Like, for fuck's sake! No more. Wait, like, serious. Stop it! No. Let's see a fucking murder on camera.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. If not, hope it gets better. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.